Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes everything else easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red line here is coming from after today's price movement. Another monster day, so definitely some updates here need to be done. What I'm going to do is actually just use this line for a near-term level. Sure, the level down here at 34 pertains. It's just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter because there's lines and all that can lead to confusion. So let's try to keep this as clear as possible. But the overall next level of resistance, is nothing fancy at all, is up there at 51 cents. And that is just simply where the price, and the party stopped today. Like I said, no other fancy reasoning behind that other than, that's just where the party stopped. So that'll be the initial level of resistance going into Tuesday. As far as the ideal level of support, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above 42. But don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below 42, I'm saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But if the price could manage to actually stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then everything is, fully in the bull's control. Again, sure, staying up above 42 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall, really just keep on doing what you've been doing. That's all you can really say about this chart. What do I mean by keep on doing what you've been doing? What has it been doing? It's been doing this right here. Just building higher bases, building higher bases. As long as those bases keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, as long as the stair steps keep getting higher and higher, then don't even worry about resistance levels because everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.